Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to refresh or reset Mozilla Firefox. Click Open menu. Click Help. Click Troubleshooting information. Click Refresh Firefox. Click Refresh Firefox. Click Finish. Click Let's Go. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.